In today's video, we're exploring the best KWGT widget apps for Android that can elevate your home screen game. If you're ready to customize your widgets and give your device a fresh look, let's dive in. Liquid Glass KWGT Widgets. Liquid Glass KWGT Widgets offers a stunning collection of customizable widgets that feature a sleek, glass-like design. This app includes over 50 unique widgets that display various information such as time, weather, battery status, and more. Users can personalize the look of each widget by adjusting colors, sizes, and layouts to match their home screen aesthetic. The high-definition graphics and smooth animations create an elegant and modern appearance, making Liquid Glass a compelling choice for users who appreciate a sophisticated look on their devices. For KWGT Ultimate. For KWGT Ultimate is a versatile KWGT widget pack that provides a broad array of stylish and functional widgets. Featuring over 90 unique designs, this app includes widgets for clocks, weather, calendar, music control, and much more. Users can easily customize the widgets to fit their style by changing colors, fonts, and sizes. For KWGT Ultimate is well-suited for users looking for variety and flexibility, as it is compatible with most launchers and supports dynamic content updates. This widget pack is perfect for those who want to create a unique and personalized home screen experience. Fusion for KWGT. Fusion for KWGT is an innovative widget pack that emphasizes a modern and minimalist design. This app features over 50 handcrafted widgets that include a mix of clocks, weather displays, and utility widgets. The clean aesthetics allow for easy integration into any home screen layout, and users can adjust colors, sizes, and styles to match their overall theme. Fusion is ideal for those who enjoy a simple yet elegant look, providing essential information at a glance without cluttering the screen. It also supports different launchers, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Liquid Glass, for KWGT Ultimate, and Fusion for KWGT helps you find the perfect widgets to enhance your Android experience. Until next time, happy customizing!